In this video, I'll show you how to share a PDF file from your laptop to your iPhone. Now, by doing it this method, you're not going to have to use a wire. It's all going to be done online for free. And the method we're going to use is actually by using Google Drive. So go ahead and open up your web browser and just type in Drive. And by doing so, you'll be able to then go to Google Drive. So click Personal Cloud Storage. Now, if you've got a Google account, you don't need to sign up to Google Drive. You'll already have access to it. And that's why I like to use it, because most people have a Google account. If you don't, you can go ahead and create one for free. Then go to Drive, and Google Drive can be used on many different devices, and it's just great to transfer files from each other. So we can go new and then new folder, and we can actually create one. I'm just going to call it transfer. And then once I'm done with the transfer, I can delete the folder, no problem, right? So we've just created the transfer folder. I can then go ahead and open that by double clicking on it. Then we can go ahead and add the PDF. So the PDF that I had open was just an example PDF. So I'm going to drag in that PDF. Now you can either drag the file on to Google Drive like so, or you can go file and then click file upload. Once the file's on Google Drive, you now need to go ahead and go to your phone. Okay, so once you're on your phone, what you need to do is go ahead and open up the App Store. And once you're on the App Store, do a search for Google Drive and then go ahead and download it. Now, if you've already got Google and you use Google on your phone, it will download and you'll just be able to open it. And once you've got it open, it will just open to your files. Now, from here, you can go ahead and find your transfer folder that you've created. So here it is for me, it's at the top. We can open that, and then to download this PDF, first we can double click on it and check it. If it's good, we can go ahead and click on the three dots in the top right hand corner. Then you can just simply click download and it will download to your phone's files. So that's all you need to do. I hope that quick video helped you out.